Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 个 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write 个 means each, every. For example, 各界 各界 means all walks of life, all social circles. 各界 all walks of life. All social circles. Now check this sentence. We need collaboration of the public and private sectors. We need collaboration of the public and private sectors. 我们需要公共部门与民间各界协作。我们需要公共部门与民间各界协作。我们需要 we need 公共部门public 与民间各界协作。We need collaboration of the public and private sectors. 我们需要公共部门与民间各界协作。各 in cursive。各 each, every. 各界 all walks of life, all social circles. We need collaboration of the public and private sectors. 我们需要公共部门与民间各界协作。各 Please comment any sentence with the character 各。I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.